Previous year questions, class 12 cbse question. They have given x power y plus y power x equals to a power b, find dy by dx. So this is in this particular question we have to follow some steps. See, the variables are in exponent form, first thing, okay, and there are two functions in addition form, okay, two functions. First function is x power y and second function is y power x. The two functions are in addition form, and also the variables are in the exponent form. So this type of question, when we have to differentiate, we have to find dy by dx. Let us suppose the first function has some other constant, okay, suppose u, okay. So let us suppose x power y, this thing is our u, and y power x is our v, okay, that we have to suppose. Now since we want to differentiate it, okay, we have to differentiate it to get du by dx, because see, this is, if this is u, this is v, and this is a power b only. If you differentiate, what you will get with respect to x? Du by dx you will get, and here dv by dx you will get, and here it is constant, so differentiation will be 0 only. So now you have to get du by dx and dv by dx. So from there you will get from this thing only. If you differentiate this equation, you will get du by dx only. But one problem is here, variable is in the exponent form, okay, the variable is in the exponent form. So first you have to bring this variable down. So for that you have to take log on both sides, okay. So take log in the LHS as well as in the RHS only. So when you take log, now this power comes down, okay, so that y will come down. So y, now we can write, like I will tell you, log m power n can be written as n log m. This n is coming in the front of the log, okay. So that property only I have used here. So yeah, so see, this y has come down, see, this y has come down, okay, and so log x equals to log u only. So now the variable has come down, okay, it is not in the exponential form, so we can differentiate it easily. So here one function is y, other function is log x, so we have to put the product formula to differentiate it. So what is the product formula? First function as it is, derivative of the second, so log x derivative is 1 by x only, plus second function as it is, log x as it is, derivative of the first. So y's derivative with respect to x will be dy by dx only, equals to log u. So log x derivative is 1 by x, so log u's derivative will be 1 by u only, and with respect to x we are doing, so we have to write du by dx. Now this will give you y by x plus log x into dy by dx equals to 1 by u into du by dx, same as it is. I copied the step. Now this u I am shifting here, this u I am shifting here. So this u in the right side it is dividing, so here it will multiply. So u multiply and with the whole thing, okay, equals to du by dx only left in the right side. Now our function is not, they have not given the function in u, okay. We only supposed u equal to x power y only. So u I substituted x power y only. Other everything I wrote the same thing. Now we can see, we found the value of du by dx. Similarly, now we can find the value of dv by dx from the second thing. So here we have supposed y power x equals to v. So see, x is in the exponential form, so we have to bring it down, then only we can differentiate it. So we have to take log on the both sides. So after taking log, this x has come down, so x log y equals to log v. Now we can differentiate here, we have to put the product formula here, first function as it is, and log y's differentiation will be 1 by y. So what is the product formula? First function will be as it is, derivative of the second function. Then because this is we are differentiating log y, okay, it is not log x. So again y we have to differentiate, because we are differentiating with respect to x only. So again it will be dy by dx plus log y as it is, the second function as it is, differentiation of x will be 1 only, equals to log v we have to differentiate, so 1 by v. Again with respect to x we are doing, so we have to do dv by dx only. So x by y into dy by dx plus log y equals to 1 by v into dv by dx, okay. So again this v we have to, one second, again this v we have to bring in the left side, so that we can find the value of dv by dx only. So v I shifted in the left hand side. After shifting the left hand side, I put the value of v, which is y power x only. So this is my value of dv by dx only. now we can put here. So see, we have supposed that this function as u and this function as v. So u plus v equals to a power b only. So that only I wrote. We have u plus v equals to a power b only. So now differentiate with respect to x. So it will be du by dx plus dv by dx equals to a power b is a full constant only. So constant differentiation will be 0 only. Now du by dx value we have got here. See, du by dx value is this full thing. So that only we wrote here, plus dv by dx value. This dv by dx value, 1 second, yeah, this dv by dx value also I have got it, this full thing. So that only substitute here equals to 0 only. Okay, now just we have to simplify, we'll get our answer. We have to take the common dy by dx, okay, after simplification. So first multiply these two things. So x power y and this x will go up, so it multiply means x power y minus 1 into y as it is, plus this thing you have to multipy by this plus log x into dy by dx also. So plus x power y log x into dy by dx. Okay, now the same thing we have to do here also. If you multiply y power x and this y will go up, so power will be negative 1, so y power x minus 1 into x into dy by dx, plus this you have to multiply by this also, so y power x into log y, okay, and equals to 0. So this is multiplication done. Now we'll take that dy by dx common. Okay, so see, dy by dx is here, in this term dy by dx is there, and another in this term dy by dx is there. Okay, so take dy by dx common. So what is left from this? X power y log x, and from this what is left? Y power x minus 1 into x is left. Okay, and every term which does not have any dy by dx, keep in the right side only. So see, this term does not have any dy by dx, so shift it in the right side and it will take negative sign after going there. And again this term, right, this term does not have any dy by dx, that also we have to shift in the right side along with the negative sign. Okay, now here the same thing, dy by dx, the same thing I wrote. Okay, nothing I changed here. This also the same thing, same step means I copied here. Now I have to find the dy by dx only. So this term is multiplying here it will go and divide. Okay, so the same. Okay, and from the numerator, from this term I took minus sign common, so this will be positive and even this will be positive. Okay, just a second, yeah, and this part will come in the denominator. Okay, because this part is being multiplied by dy by dx, so dy by dx is equals to this part you have to bring down. So after now little you can leave the question here itself, or you want a little bit more solve, you can do that also. So from this thing now, from the numerator I took y common. Okay, and from the denominator I took x common, because see here xx is there and here y is there, so I took y in the numerator and x in the denominator common. Okay, so in the minus sign already there outside, so it will be minus y by x only. Now see here, y I took a common, what is left? X power y minus 1 is left from the first term. From the second term, y power x, okay, I took y common, so means if I do y power x minus 1, because I took y common, no, so if I multiply this thing by this thing, so y power x minus 1 plus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled, y power x only left, so that thing only I was having here. Okay, so see, I have only y power x here, I took y power 1 common, that means that 1 I have to subtract also, so y power x minus 1 log y as it is. Down also the same thing, I took x common. Okay, but here I have x power y, so I have to do x power y minus 1, because x power 1 I took common, so I have to do minus 1 here, log x as it is, and this x I took common, so what is left? Y power x minus 1. So after that just same steps I wrote. Okay, nothing I changed. This x power y minus 1 as it is, plus y power x minus 1 as it is, log y, and down also this I wrote in the front, because see, in the numerator I am keeping the log term in the last, so you can write in that way also. So that this term I wrote in the front, y power x minus 1, and this term I wrote in the last. Okay.